everybody, I'm Jala. Welcome back to my channel. I have felt very bad, disappointed, unwilling recently. But you can help me. How? There's time when we want to help others. We want to use such words which can relax them, make them feel happy. Today I'll speak about 20 idioms that you can use in your speaking confidently when you want to inspire people with your words. So let's get started. If a person says that he's doing his best but he can't achieve success, he has lost his self-confidence. In this case, you can say, good things come to those who wait. You mean, be patient. Patience can solve lots of problems. If your friend says that nothing is getting well in his life, he doesn't trust in his good faith, he often fails. In order to make him happy, to make him feel good, you can say, hang in there. You mean, be patient. Patience can solve lots of problems. Or you can say, every cloud has a silver lining. You mean, there is a good aspect to every bad situation. You can also say, it's always darkest before the dawn. You mean, things will get better. If your friend is going to have an exam or he's going to apply for a job, he's very excited and nervous. In order to inspire him, you can say, break a leg. You say good luck to him. Another idiom you can use is take it easy, relax. Or you can use this idiom, be cool as a cucumber. You mean relax, be calm. A person wants to apply for a job, but he hesitates whether he will be employed or not. In order to inspire him, you can say, where there is a will, there is a way. You mean if you really want something, you can achieve it. Or you can say, better late than never. You mean better to try than not to do. If you see anybody unhappy or upset, you can say, I wish you walking on sunshine. I wish you walking on air. You mean, I wish you to be very happy. Another idiom you can use is, I wish you to become as right as rain. You mean, I wish you to become perfect in a good health. If you want to make somebody feel happy, you can say, you are a smart cookie. You mean an intelligent person. If a person says that he feels very lonely, he doesn't have any friends, you can advise him and say, break the ice. You mean attempt to become friends with someone. Or you can say, get along with people. You mean try to have a good relationship with people. I can make you feel happy if I say, you are a ray of sunshine. I mean, you make people happy around you. You are a ray of sunshine. You always make me laugh. I wish you to be in seventh heaven. I wish you to be extremely happy. A place in the sun, a good or lucky position. You'll find your place in the sun when they promote you to senior manager. If you want to achieve success, go the extra mile. It means make an extra effort. You feel depressed, you have a bunch of problems. Don't worry, keep your chin up. Stay strong, you'll get through this. I wish you to be loaded. I wish you to have a lot of money. Use the idioms in your speaking confidently. I wish to see you again. Take care.